Laptops once came loaded with various ports to support all your essential devices. But as designs have become thinner and more minimal, most of those ports have been replaced by the all-in-one versatility of Thunderbolt and USB-C connections. If you're someone who regularly plugs in multiple accessories, a Thunderbolt dock can be a game-changer, offering a wide range of connectivity options and power delivery through just one cable. In this video, we're highlighting the top 5 Thunderbolt 5 docking stations that are redefining connectivity and performance for modern setups. The CalDigit TS5 is a high-performance Thunderbolt 5 docking station designed to elevate your desktop setup. Equipped with an impressive 15 ports, it offers extensive connectivity options for displays, peripherals, and storage devices. A standout feature is its 4 Thunderbolt 5 ports, each capable of delivering up to 80 gigabits per second of bandwidth, ideal for demanding data transfers and connecting multiple high-end devices at once. Built for both Mac and PC users, the TS5 emphasizes speed and flexibility. It includes an SD 4.0 card reader for fast media transfers and a 3.5mm combo audio jack for convenient audio input and output. While it doesn't include dual USB controllers or 10 gigabits Ethernet, it supports dual 6K monitor output and leverages powerful PCIe bandwidth for top-tier performance. If you're seeking a dock that prioritizes performance and connectivity without compromising on value, the CalDigi TS5 is a compelling option worth considering. The Kensington SD500T5 is a Thunderbolt 5 docking station that prioritizes both speed and security, making it an ideal choice for professional environments. With support for up to 80 gigabits per second of bandwidth, it's built to handle intensive workflows and rapid data transfers with ease. It includes 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports, enabling users to connect high-performance devices, transfer large files quickly, and drive ultra-high-resolution displays, all at the same time. Visual performance is covered with 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, supporting up to 8K resolution for crystal-clear display setups. For network reliability, the built-in 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port delivers high-speed, wired internet, perfect for professionals who need a consistent connection. Where the SD500T5 really sets itself apart is in its robust security features. It includes a built-in fingerprint scanner for secure, seamless logins, a K-slot for physical locking, and advanced firmware protection to guard sensitive data. Additionally, it's compatible with Kensington's DockWorks software, allowing IT teams to manage and enforce security policies across multiple devices. Priced around $400, the SD500T5 is tailored for users in finance, corporate IT, government, or any field where data protection and high performance go hand in hand. The Cable Matters Thunderbolt 5 dock delivers strong performance at an accessible price, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious users who still need serious connectivity. With 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports, it enables fast data transfer and seamless connections to high-speed devices, whether you're working with external drives, displays, or everyday peripherals. In terms of connectivity, it doesn't hold back, offering 4 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, all capable of 10 gigabits per second speeds. That means you can hook up multiple accessories like external storage, input devices, or other gear without sacrificing performance. Display support is equally solid, with the ability to run either 2 4K monitors at 60 Hz or a single 8K display at 30 Hz, perfect for creative work, productivity, or content consumption. You also get a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port for faster, more reliable wired networking, great for everything from video conferencing to transferring large files. And thanks to its efficient, quiet cooling system, the dock stays cool without adding unwanted noise to your workspace. Priced at just $349, this dock hits a sweet spot for students, remote professionals, and small businesses looking to embrace Thunderbolt 5 capabilities without overspending. The CalDigit Element 5 hub stands out in the Thunderbolt space by packing more ports than any other hub in its class. It includes 4 Thunderbolt 5 ports, along with 3 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, all offering high-speed connectivity ideal for transferring large files or connecting multiple devices without lag. Despite its compact size, the Element 5 delivers performance features typically found in premium docks. It offers up to 90 W of charging power to keep your laptop or tablet fully powered throughout the day. And with up to 120 gigabits per second of bandwidth, it's well suited for intensive workflows like video editing, 3D rendering, or managing multiple high-speed peripherals. The hub is highly versatile and compatible with Macs, Windows PCs, iPads, and more. It also supports dual 6K displays for Mac users and up to 3 monitors for Windows users, perfect for multitasking, creative setups, or immersive work environments. While it lacks built-in HDMI ports and an SD card reader, the flexibility of its Thunderbolt ports means you can easily add those via adapters. At just $249, the Element 5 is a powerful, portable option for professionals who need performance on the go without sacrificing connectivity. The Fusion Dock Pro 3 is built for professionals who demand speed, durability, and dependable connectivity, even in challenging environments. With 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports offering blazing transfer speeds up to 120 gigabits per second, this dock is more than capable of handling large files and high-bandwidth workflows with ease. What really sets the Fusion Dock Pro 3 apart is its rugged design. It's rated IP54, giving it protection against dust and water splashes, perfect for fieldwork, construction sites, or outdoor production environments. It also features 4 USB-A ports equipped with locking connectors, ensuring your gear stays securely connected, even in active or mobile setups. For additional flexibility, the dock includes 2 high-power USB-C ports, ideal for fast-charging modern devices like laptops, phones, and accessories. When it comes to displays, you get HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, allowing you to connect high-resolution, high-refresh rate monitors, an excellent setup for creative professionals like video editors or designers who need clarity and performance. To top it off, the Fusion Dock Pro 3 delivers 95 W of power, so your laptop stays charged while you work. Priced around $440, it's a rugged, high-performance dock made for serious users in demanding environments. So, these are the 5 best Thunderbolt docking stations. What are your thoughts on these Thunderbolt 5 docks? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.